If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Solana video update. Solana seems like it's still on a journey to go to $21.17. Now Bitcoin was pumping for some reason, and I don't see Solana doing the same, even though Bitcoin did make a huge move to the upside, 18,900, but we still have Solana, which is actually losing its power. It seems like Solana right over here in this zone didn't have enough buyers to push it to the upside. What does that tell you? Is this because of a resistance here? Maybe. I don't know. Even something like this makes sense. So it's not even like there's resistance. I don't think there's any resistance, but right now somehow Solana is actually still looking to push to the upside. I want to remove these drawings again. So all you did is you made an impulsive move right there to the upside, and you made this looking pennant right over here. Okay, so that's the pennant. My take is that you take the top to the bottom like that, and you went up like this. So yeah, it's actually not $21, my bad. So I just actually reanalyzed, and I found out that it's 19.69, not a $21. So basically you still have a move of nearly 18%, 20% nearly to the upside. So if that happens, amazing. And by the way, again, stop losses, always you're going to have to work with stop loss. So my take is, if we need a level, if we need to lose a level where we're going to have confidence that things are going to get worse, then I think losing 12.7 at the moment is going to make things worse for Solana, right? Because you don't have any business actually coming down. You don't even, number one, you don't have any business coming down to 15.3, but it can actually be a quick stop loss hunt and then you go upside. That's a different scenario. So let's say you don't have any business coming down to even 14.8, let alone 12.62. You don't have business to come down here. So if you do come down here, one can say there's a little bit of support here. Okay, it makes sense. But let's say you lose that support and come down to 12.58. You definitely don't have any business coming here. I think if you come to 12.62, that's a loss of a structure and a key level, and also a loss of this support. So that's pretty much it for this update on Solana right now. Maybe there's one more thing that I needed to also break it out for you, and let me just zoom out a little bit. So I want to see if there's a trend line resistance. So from there to there, okay, all right, maybe this can make sense right here. So let's look at it this way. All right, so let's say if you really have to move the highest, then this can also make sense that you make it all the way up to $22.7. If you're to get bullish somehow, you pump, and the last place you can actually pump to is 22.74, and then go to $4 because $4 is also in play. Or if you move up like this and you break that resistance and you back test it, who knows, you can actually start an uptrend as well. So we're going to see that if that happens. Number one, let's reach to $19, and you don't want to lose $12 at all. And I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.